Fundamentally, it was just an obedience to being a member of the church, Catholic. So I went there. And I got an admonition, plus a little lecture of Christian values and good manners and right conduct. And I was told that every time I would make a course or evidence, I will pay 1,000 pesos. Anak ka. Yun ang paglabas pa lang namin, I was interviewed by the media. I was asked about my talk with the bishop, may gagawin pa ako. I said I refuse to talk about it anymore. Ang sinabi niya sa akin, just do the things to atone for your sin. And do not talk anymore. So I will not talk anymore, and I will not cast words because magkastos yan. They said that they would monitor every public appearance that I make. So hindi na ako magmura. Huwag mo lang akong bigyan ng problema kasi makalimutan ko naman. Ang tingin ko, on a scale of 1 to 10, the military and the